2025, I think, was a year of scalability. So firms were launching new products, products in parallel, more complex products, more complex fund structures, having to rely much more on their technology, putting more focus on getting the technology right, and essentially driving efficiency. Doing all of this also without really increasing headcount. So there's a big emphasis on technology, and there's also a big emphasis on data being correct, being accessible, and being ready to report. 2025 was a very busy year at Holland Mountain, record-breaking number of operational reviews and target operating model work, really helping our clients think about scalability and achieving efficiency, which has identified a number of trends for 2026. We see the investor experience evolving a lot in 2026. The emergence of new technology is there. The technology products are maturing. We're seeing managers beginning to implement everything from virtual data rooms through to investor onboarding tools through to post-investment document serving, all in a single solution. Most managers have been evaluating that in 25. We're starting to see a ramp up in implementations in 26. So data continues to be a trend, building on from strong work in 25. We see in 26 that the demands for access to data are increasing. We're seeing the speed of reporting and the frequency of reporting increasing, both internally, so more management information demands on finance teams or from IR teams, but also from LPs, and particularly driven by trends like credit, where we're starting to see monthly reporting and possibly shorter intervals in 26 that we need to be prepared for. There isn't time for shadow bookkeeping any longer, so we're seeing firms implementing stronger controls, getting away from shadow, relying on their admins more, and then using data platforms to take data in from one or multiple sources, combine that data and provide reporting in near real time to their internal users, but also externally to the LPs. The democratization of data in 2026 is a big trend that we're really interested in and look forward to seeing how it progresses. Firms are beginning to hire chief data officers. We're starting to see really a C-suite interest in the quality of data in the organization, which is all really directed at business users who have to own data and be that control at the first point of entry, which then enables that to flow through data platforms and self-servicing, so that there isn't this idea of continuing to ask finance teams, for example, for data. Other teams in the organization are able to go and get that themselves through different BI tools. Many of our clients are expecting big growth in 26 and the years beyond as they launch new products. So they've come to us looking for benchmarking with the fund admins to make sure that they're partnering with an admin who can provide operationally what they need as far as services and quality of data, and that they're getting the right level of service. But then also looking at the operating model from a technology point of view to make sure that the admin is using the best technology, they're on the most current operating model, and that they can provide them with data at the speed and frequency that they need. We've seen a big shift in the usage and the thinking around AI. So 2025 was about putting in large language models, kind of ChatGPT, question answers type solutions. Now we're seeing in 26 is the emergence of many more vendors providing these vertical solutions that are very niche for specific use cases, maybe investment sourcing, investment screening, could be around investor relations, DDQs. The number of use cases is increasing, and firms are now starting to look for kind of best of breed solutions for each of those. The new focus around unstructured data is kind of a follow-on from what we saw in 2025. People are starting to realize that the documents hold the keys to many of the insights that the AI tools are going to use. So they're starting to use their document management solutions, things like SharePoint, to be meta tagging, better structuring how data goes in. And we're seeing a lot more ownership out of the business users for actually identifying those documents and putting them into the right places so that the AI tools can easily access them. So I hope you found these trends helpful in your planning for 2026. Big thanks to all of our clients for the work we did with you in 2025. We look forward to seeing you in 2026.